यूट्यूब में सर्च कर my dear students. Acha, today every day we follow this type of questions: 5 MCQ, 5 2 mark questions, 4 long questions. Okay, my dear student, first questions: multiple choice. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Java? Valid variable in Java. Which of the following? Let's look at you. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Java? Why? Which is valid? My number. That says my number. Okay, because in problem. What is the problem here? My dear students, class name don't start with numbers. If the number is started, na, that's what is cancel. My, we know class name always start with a capital letter. M is small letter. That's why it's cancelled. My numbers all are small letter. We can, sorry, right? Huh. Uh, that means two number. Huh. ठीक अछि. Then my number in there is space. What? There is it? We cannot add. We can add, but we can add a underscore for space. Int is a keyword. Int is a, that's why. My dear, my number is a correct, but it's not also a proper correct because Java class start with a capital letter. Here is my number. It's actually in a Java program it's not correct, but in this option the one option is correct. Understood? Understood? All of you? If you start with my number here, another option is there, capital MYNUMBR. So which is the correct answer? No, no. What's the correct answer? Capital M is correct. Next. Which of the following data type can store a decimal value? Int store integer, character store character value, ABC, 1, 2, 1, 2 as a character. Boolean store true, false. What case of double? It store decimal values. Scanner class is defined in which packages? Java.util, IO, lang, test. Answer is Java.util. What is the result of int and 9.7 in Java? What is the answer? 10. Sure. Answer is 9. Because int 9.7 na, so int that means typecasting. In integer value, don't store the decimal value. The decimal value that means 9.7. The call the decimal, the only 9s are there. Understood? Understood all of you? 5 number. Dash which method of a math class return the square root of a number? Square root of a number, the square root SQRT. Understood all of you? Next. Long questions. Define variable, give one example. What is variable? Anyone? We store different type of data. Very good. Where store different type of how many types of variable? What are they? Very good. One more is variable. That's final variable. Constant variable. When we declare as a variable as a constant, we use a final because constant variable we cannot change. Give me example. Int age equal to 15. So age is which is variable. Age is a variable. What is int? Int is a data type. It is a keywords, correct. But integer what? Equal is operator, assignment operator. Very good. 15 is semicolon is separator. One separators. Semicolon, brackets, this one, what? Curly bracket, etc. etc. Understood? Difference between int and double. What is the difference between int and double? In case of integer, it stores which value? Integer value. Case of double, and one more example. Here keyword is int. Here keyword is another example. Give the example. Int a equal to 12. Int is double b equal to 12.0. Another example. In int, storing capacity is, so int size is how many bytes? The 4 bytes. So how many bits? 32 bits. Case of long, so double 8 bytes. How many bits? So this is also difference. Understood? Okay, we can write. Write the step to use the scanner class for input. How to use scanner class? First step, we have to import the scanner class. Second step, use the create the object of the scanner class. Third, use the function of a scanner class using objects. देखो, first import class, create object of a scanner class. Next, take input. But take the function. I already told you using the function of a scanner class using object of the scanner class. How to write? Int a equal to s dot next int. X is the object of the scanner class. We already created in the above side. 4. What is the typecasting? Typecasting is to convert one data type to. These are two types. What are they? Implicit, implicit or explicit. Understood? Bas example is there. Double a double there is a typecasting. Now tell me, it is which type of typecasting? Because it's a double A. Double converted to int. Double size is 8 byte. Integer size is 4 byte. 8 byte to 4 byte. That means explicit. What will the output of the method max 8 12? EG. Understood? Acha, next. Just wait. Next question. Write the program input to two numbers using scanner class. Display their sum different product. Simple. I copy this link. Control C. I open BlueJ. Okay. New class. I type OP. Capital O. Capital O P. Then hit OK. The OP file is created. Double click it. Press Ctrl A and delete. Press Ctrl B. Okay. Then run the program. Compile. No error. Right click it. Click on void main. Then click on OK. Enter the first number. Enter the first number. I write 12. Enter the second number 13. Sum is 25, difference is -1, product is 156. How to write the program? I did it. First, when you use scanner class, we have to import the scanner objects. Scanner class. Import java dot util dot star. Why is star? Why not using scanner class? My dear students, Util is a package. Scan. Let's consider class 9 is a package. You are the classes. The different classes are there. But ninth is a particular classes. If you consider ninth as a packages, you are the classes. Let's consider class ninth package. Java.util ninth package dot your name Om Prakash that display the Om properties. Yes or no? Can you show the mark of this your name? Forgot. Ritesh? No, because we already created ninth batch your classes. If you phrase this one, what? Star. Star means all classes. Class mean star means all. Util packages having all classes. All understood? Util is a package. Star is a consider as all classes. Understood? Use star, otherwise use scanner. Understood? Class calculate, create a class. Then main method, publish at environment arguments. Then we know when you use the another class property, we have to create object of the classes. How to object of classes? Class name, object name, new object class name with a system name. Understood? We need a fast number. Enter a fast number. This number store in a variable. The int a equal to sc dot next int. Same for second number. Int b equal to sc dot next int. Our addition the let's we have to addition. We find the addition, subtraction, and difference. The system print ln sum equal to a plus a print ln difference equal to a minus a system print ln product equal a into understood. Any doubt? Any doubt? Why it's stored in a string value? Because output showing as a string. This kind of output looks like. Okay, I just remove it. I just remove it. Okay, compile the code. Click on void main. Click on OK. Okay, enter a first number. I press 12. Second number 10. Enter. Dip, difference is 2. It's understand. 120 product is 120. But what is 22? Sum is 22. Because how you know? We have to, that's why we're showing the output. We store as a string. It gives the proper outputs. Understood? It can easy to understand of our students or everyone's. Understood all of you? Acha. Next. Okay, next. Write Java program. Input a floating point number, display its rounded value, square root, and a power of a 3 using of a math. Power of a 3. And a method of power 3 whatever it is. Let's consider. I copy the code, create a new class, click on, let's consider class name is M, then click it OK, double click it, control A, control B. Okay, here is a class math example. Publish at void main string arguments. Scanner A is equal to new scanner system dot in. System will enter a number. You enter a number. Double num equal to s dot next double. We take a input there. Okay, there is a scanner class is used. Understood? System that print a rounded value. The round value, which function is used? Math dot round. A math as a round? No. Understood? A cell is the higher part, not a round. 3.2 cell value? Huh? 4.0 cell value. As 4.0 is rounded. 3 is rounded. Because 3 is closest to 3.2. Na? That's a round value. Understood? System impedance and square root. Math data SQRT number. Find the cube. How to find the cube? Math data pow. Math data pow. Norm comma 3. Then click on compile. Why we need compile? Java can understand high level languages. It understand low level languages. The machine code. When you hit compile, it is converted into machine code. This machine code store in class file. Which file? My dear students, I'm already created which file? M file. File name is M. But now it's converted into math, the math example. Yes or no? Right click it, click on void main string, then click on OK. Asking enter a number. Enter number 12. Rounded value is 12, square root is 3 point, and the cube is 1728. Understood? In here, now remember, square root gives the output as a double value. Which value? Understood? Next. Write Java program demonstrate the typecasting from double to int into double. Typecasting. Easy. I copy the code. What? Code faster. Faster. Typecasting. I'm who mara bhai. Typecasting पढ़ा ही नहीं. Typecasting. New class. I write it T as typecasting. Okay. Then okay. Double click it. Control A. Then delete. Then press Control B. My dear students, देखो. Here the I already class is created. Class is a typecasting demo. Then publish static void main string arguments. Now there is a taking a numbers or decimal values as a double D equal to 9.75. Int 9.75 I want to convert into double value to integer value. Which type of typecasting? Explicit. It's a comment I was writing there. Explicit. Int I equals int D. Okay. Then here is the integer value int x equal to 10. The double y equal to x. Now what is the output here? Now tell me. I value. What is the I value? What is the I value? No. I double D equal to 75. Int I equal to int D. Only 9. Very good. Then int x equal to 10. Double y. What is the y value? Understood? Simple. Then compile. Click on void main. Then click on OK. Double int equal to 9 into double equal to 12.0. Sorry, 10.0. Understood? Next. Write Java program input radius. Find the area of circumference of a circle using the math class. How? Simple. Control C. Click on new class. CIR circles. Then click on OK. What happened? We're lapping. Control A then delete. Then Control V. Acha, my dear. First, using scanner class main method, create the object of the scanner class. First we find the area. How to find the area, my dear? What is the find the area? What is the formula? Find the area of circle. Pi area. Radius. Sorry. Huh? Sort of area. Pi r square. The pi r square, that means first we need a radius. The radius equal to as the next double. We take a input. Double area equal to pi. Pi value is already given by the developer. We have a function. Otherwise use otherwise otherwise you use 3.14. हाँ, math that pi into pi r square, the math that power r2 r square. Otherwise you can write r into r. 3.12 into pi into r into r. Then circumference পড়িব না কোন লেখা আছে circumference তো next 2 pi r, the 2 pi r, the print the area then circumference আগে নাচ কম না করে ইয়ে রে circum ফটা হবে না বলো understood compiled next wait a minute then okay enter a radius. I put the radius is 4, area is 15.0, circumference is 35. Understood? Why it take radius as a double value? Very good. No, no. Radius, why is taking as radius double value? Because radius is not a particular area, particular numbers. Like if 4 it is 4.2 be 4.3 3.2. That's why take as a double value. Understood? Next. Okay.